Imagine a world where you never have to look down at your phone again. For nearly 20 years, the iPhone has been the center of our digital lives. But behind the closed doors of Apple Park, a massive shift is happening. Apple is preparing for the end of the iPhone era. They aren't just making a new phone, they're building a new body for artificial intelligence. According to the latest 2026 leaks, Apple is ramping up production on three distinct products that will act as the eyes and ears for a completely overhauled Siri. This is Project N50, and it is about to change how you see the world, literally. The flagship of this new era is the Apple Smart Glasses. Forget the bulky Vision Pro. These are designed to look like high-end eyewear, weighing less than 50 grams. They don't have a giant screen. Instead, they use visual intelligence. Imagine walking through a new city. Instead of staring at a map on your phone, your glasses see the street. Siri whispers in your ear, "Turn right at the gray building." You point at a restaurant menu in a foreign language, and the glasses translate it instantly. These glasses aren't just a gadget. They're a replacement for your eyes in the digital world. They see what you see, and they understand it in real time. But Apple knows that not everyone wants to wear glasses. That is where the AI Pendant comes in. This device is roughly the size of an AirTag, but it's packed with power. It's a thin, circular disc that you can clip to your shirt or wear as a necklace. It features an always-on camera and a high-fidelity microphone. Think of it as a personal assistant that rides on your shoulder. It watches your day and helps you remember things. You could look at a plan and ask, "What is this?" Or look at your fridge and ask, "What can I cook with this?" It sends all that visual data to your iPhone for processing, keeping the device small and the battery long-lasting. Then, there are the new AirPods. These aren't just for music anymore. Apple is testing low-resolution infrared cameras built directly into the earbuds. Why? To track your environment and your gestures. These AirPods will work with your glasses or pendant to create a 360-degree map of your world. They can detect if you are in a crowded room or a quiet office and adjust your AI experience accordingly. This is what tech experts call ambient computing. The technology is everywhere, but the screens are nowhere. You are finally free from the glass rectangle in your pocket. Now, you might be thinking about privacy. If Apple has cameras everywhere, who is watching? This is where Apple plans to beat Meta and OpenAI. They are using private cloud compute. Most of the AI processing happens on your device. And if it needs more power, it uses a secure server where your data is never stored or seen by anyone, not even Apple. This privacy-first approach is their secret weapon to make you feel comfortable wearing a camera on your face all day. So, when can you get your hands on these? Sources say the camera-enabled AirPods could arrive by the end of this year. The AI Pendant and the smart glasses are currently targeted for a 2027 release, with production starting in late 2026. Apple is betting that the future isn't in your hand. It's on your face, your ears, and your chest. The iPhone might be the king today, but its successor is already being built. In my opinion, the smart glasses are the real game changer here. While the pendant is cool, people are already used to wearing glasses. If Apple can make them look stylish and keep the battery life over 8 hours, the iPhone will officially become a secondary device. The way we interact with the world is about to become a conversation with Siri, and I, for one, am ready to look up from my screen. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the future of tech.